Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Today will be super quick, helpful video to any of you trying to find the Tpms, the tire pressure monitor system, fuses and relays on that generation GMC Sierra guys here from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. If you guys need to, by the way, buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Check it out if you need something, you can find it there as well guys. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. The Tpms sensors, also known as Tpms or tire pressure monitor system, fuses, relays. Let's explain where you can find them guys on that generation GMC Sierra here. By the way, quick advice guys, 9 out of 10 owners do not know that there will be many hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Sierra. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that people told us saved them thousands of dollars in repairs. We need to go ahead guys and open the hood. Lucky for us, we work in a fuse box that's easy to get to. And here on the driver's side, you see that's the brake fluid reservoir. On the right side facing the engine, that's the main engine fuse box. Open that cover. Then underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. The fuse for the system guys, that fuse box layout is only for year 2018. That's when they changed the layout a little bit. We will explain about 2014 through 2017 in a little bit, but the fuse that you need to check is known for the Tpms system, is known as fuse number 53. We're talking about this 10M fuse right here. If you have a 2014 through 2017 model guys, okay, that's what the fuse box will look like. It's very similar with some minor differences, but the same fuse will need to be checked as well. Fuse number 53. What about a relay? You don't have a relay? You have only that fuse. The relay function is controlled by the Tpms monitor system. That's the Tpms module, so if you have problems with it, you might need to check into that as well guys, but that's the only fuse you have for that system. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.